Hi guys, this is Susan and Henry from SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning Company, and we are doing the last of the bird proofing here on the edge. And we're able to do this because they actually have a roof where their patio is, so we can put a ladder easily, lean it against the side, and put the bird proofing mesh on the edge. And as you can see, Henry is folding the mesh underneath the rim of the roof because that way it looks cleaner rather than just hanging down, right?
Yeah, can I see it? See it? Just want to show you my point of view of how it looks. Nice and clean. I don't know if you guys can see underneath or not, but it's pretty damn clean underneath there. Nothing. Here you go.
So that is it. We got all of this done. The edge is complete. The whole bird proofing is complete. Now all we have to do is just clean it up. Thank you very much for joining us. We will catch you guys on the next video.